Next stop, Thailand. We just left Da Nang, Vietnam, where we spent 2 exciting months looking at the possibility of Da Nang being our retirement home location. We are now on our way to Bangkok, Thailand to do the same. We have so much to cover for the 2 months in Thailand. We'll be looking at visa options, the monthly cost of living, real estate options, medical facilities, ability to get medical insurance, the dental, pharmacy, the quality of food and availability, transportation. We'll be also checking out the locals, their friendliness and their culture, looking at social things to do if retired there, the safety feature, the weather, and of course, the Wi-Fi. In this video series, we'll have minimal edits and post day-to-day activities as we go along. It only took a little over an hour. I made it to Bangkok. When you arrive, don't forget to get your SIM. They have great unlimited Wi-Fi packages in Thailand. For 5 days is for $10.32. 8 days, $13.28. 15 days, $19.79. 1 month, you get it for $35.46. If you're gonna stay even 2 months or longer, the best alternative is the 90 days because you get it for $47.29 and you don't have to go through looking for Wi-Fi. Don't forget to get your currency changed. At this airport, DMK, always get a meter taxi from Terminal 8. Don't lose the grab money. Okay, it's me. It's me. For those who are accustomed to my channel, I tend to change my looks up as the mood suits me. So get used to it. In my retirement, I embrace the many sides and personalities within. This is some of my many looks I play around with. Let's have fun together in our retirement and embrace our journey as we take our life back. Don't tell me which one you like. Don't tell me which look you like. Where to stay in Bangkok? I find that the best place to stay is right along the BTS line. The BTS line is very cheap and will connect you to the entire city of Bangkok. So I'm going to show you the hotel that I think is one of the better ones to stay 2 minutes from the BTS, which is really super, super cool. So it's very strategically located. This is the best price I've seen for Bangkok. For $26 a night, you get a nice, clean room. The only thing is, the rooms are a little small, but it's location, location, and location again. Bangkok transportation. The BTS line. When taking the BTS, 1 stop is 17 bob, 2 stop is 25 bob, and so on. just so you have an idea as to the price of each stop. So you get your little ticket, touch it on the machine, and there you go. Isn't it easy? You will be impressed as to how clean and organized the train service is. There's usually a security there to assist if you have any problems at all. It is so fast and efficient. Now you hand your key in. The BTS train has an overhead walkway through most part of the town, which is really cool. So for most parts, you have to cross the street. And it's great because it's covered. Because Thailand does get a little bit hot. At each major stop, there are so many stores and conveniences. You can pick up pastries, perfume, delights, barbershop. You will be amazed. There's even a lockbox storage facility where you can leave your bags, anything to make your life easier. Now you hand your key in. Other forms of transportation, you have the public buses that you can take, air-conditioned or non-air-conditioned. You have the Grab taxis that deliver or carry you around town. You have the cabs, which are yellow and green, sometimes pink. Bangkok also has an MRT, which is an underground railway. Tuk-tuk, famous tuk-tuk, take you around town. You also have the water taxi, small and large. When you think of Bangkok, think impressive transportation. Bangkok street food. So when I'm in Bangkok, I don't eat at restaurants, I must be honest. I eat primarily street food because it is so good for you. And there are so many options to choose from. You name it while you're here. Trust me, there is someone cooking that. Whatever food you feel for, there's someone cooking it. I always come here to get my fried fish. It is right under the bread. But this guy has a really good fried fish. Really good. One thing I love, he fries it right here. So it's nice and fresh every morning. How much? 80? 80 bob. Before fried fish. So now I have my fried fish. I'm gonna get me some fried rice. So here, right next door, you now have the fried rice. I love Thailand because you can get street food. You don't need to cook. There's so much. So you get 2 packs of fried rice, 20 bob. Popcorn time. So now we sit and we eat our fish and rice. Fried rice. And my fried fish. Love it. I love it here. I love this. I love Bangkok street food. So good.